Siblings, 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 siblings. This is my sister.
This is my brother.
We are siblings and we care for each other. Everything we own,
We always share
because we are siblings and we have the same hair.
Hey, what's that?
We have an older brother,
We thought there were two.
but there is another. He's always busy and he has short hair, but he's one of us, so we don't care. Come on, Patrick, snap out of that trance. It's time to do a
Guys, I can't focus, I can't read, I can't get any of my work done.
Come on, let's do a sibling dance. Siblings.